Well, yeah, but this one, it don't have a cab. It don't have.
Perfect. What size do you need? I was given this size. Okay, check. I just don't want to give you.
Yeah. Right.
You have a large. Here you go. Make sure this one is large. Yep. There you go. Cool. Thank you. You're welcome.
Cool. Comparison.
See if you got rips.
Well, just what I like and don't like about it.
Good luck. Good luck. I can't help you there. I know you can. That's all I'm saying. Yeah.
I'm gonna roll my window.
Okay. I'm surprised you knew how to do that.
Right. Huh.
That's right.
Did you get a diesel?
What's that?
Did you get a diesel?
Gas.
Your bag, your bag.
Yeah, this is what I don't like. I don't like this. Nope. Don't like it. Well, at least it got a bump. Okay. Can't get in it very easy though. Okay. Throttle up. Must be for bed. Up, down. Air. Well, no, I don't. See, you get your gear shifter down between here and. Okay, so the seat does move. But this is non-adjustable. It's one size fits all. And I don't know. Yeah, I'm not impressed. The Deere's much more easy to get in and out of. $21 as it sits, so I got ripped. Ouch.
You'll be keeping busy.
Yeah.
Did you get air conditioning in yours?
Yeah.
This one maybe doesn't have air conditioning.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, you did get ripped.
They just look cheap. Well, I don't like this back here.
You'll have fun. It'll be good. Your interior's nicer than this one.
What's that?
So the Deere interior is nicer than this.
That's the M that they had on display, or the R, I mean. Mine's got power steering.
Why? Because you're a girl and you can't manually steer it?
Well, that's the way it comes.
There's tool storage under the seat.
Just a little dinky tray. Door shut really nice. It's got the hood opens up just like automotive.
Just charge me. Because I bought the same thing.
That's cool. Air filter's up here on these. But I don't know. I'll go back and look at a deer once and kind of, I guess, see what I think. Washer tank, antifreeze overflow. I think I got my butt ripped on. I feel dumb now for doing what I did. Ouch. Gosh darn it. Yeah, after seeing the list price on this, I kind of, you know, bit my words a little bit.
I know, come on, yeah, we're saving you some money.
I can't back out now.
Oh yeah, you got it now. You like it?
Yeah.
As it sits on the floor.
Oh, you don't even have it yet?
No. I got
just bought it.
I got a special order from the factory.
Really? Wow.
But see, the only thing that scared that I'm not bashing Kubota or nothing. The only thing that scared me was this back here. Now I see you got a bumper, but Deere has this enclosed.
Right.
And that's what I'd like about.
They had it all covered up.
Yeah.
And stuff. Well, the only thing, you got a gas, right?
Right.
So you got a belt drive.
Right.
This is a hydrostat, so it's a tractor transmission.
Okay.
So it's very robust.
Okay.
And that's kind of what separates us from the two. Because belt drive, you eventually will start slipping, and you have some belt issues. But usually it'll be fine.
The thing, honestly, that scared me about a diesel was a lot of starting, stopping, and injectors leaking. And,
yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Yep, and gas, you don't have that issue.
Right. I mean, not knocking Kubota,
No.
but
Not knocking Deere either. They make a nice unit.
I just don't know how these newer diesels are.
Right. Well, this one's been around for about 6 or 7 years.
Really?
Yep, we've been making this. Actually, our best seller with the cab.
No issues with the motors, huh?
No issues with the motors.
Wow.
They are really good motors.
Huh.
And people, we've heard things people should not have been doing with it, but they use it as a tractor.
Right.
But it's been really good. What's that?
Our neighbor was raking hay with one.
Really?
There you go. I don't think they should have.
Probably should have. Right, but they can, I guess.
Right.
So.
Which neighbor was that?
So when are you going to get the Gator,
End of March.
End of March. So still got a little bit of time.
Right.
That's cool, though. That sounds exciting.
But I see this, I'm kind of like,
Crap.
yep.
That's all right. Use it for a couple years. Maybe we'll see, if you like it or not, trade it in.
Right. Yep.
Resale value should be just fine.
Right.
Hey,
Yep.
I might know a person for that then.
That's right.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep. All right, we'll talk to you later on.
Nice to see you.
Hang on.
It's all right. We can just peek this way.
Looks like about the same that yours has.
So this has just got the air-conditioned components in there. So without heat and air, it actually has a storage bin under there still. But,
Okay.
Yeah. He just ordered one of these. Oh, okay.
The M.
Okay.
I got an 825.
Awesome. You got an 825? Yep. All right. You got the cab and all the heat and air and the M model?
Yep.
Awesome. Well, I bet you're going to love that.
Right.
Yeah.
I've heard good things about them so far.
Yep. I've been talking to a lot of happy customers at the show here. There's a lot of people coming through that say, yeah, I bought one last year, and talking about how much they love it. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh.
A lot of good feedback.
54 horse, 2,200 pound.
2,000 pound towing. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Would you recommend pulling a loaded hay wagon, kicker wagon?
I mean, if it's within your tow range, I don't know how much that weighs, but as long as it's the 2,000 pounds or less, you should be fine. Yeah.
Empty, you think you'd handle it?
Yeah. I mean, if it's like I say, 2,000 pounds is what I'm saying. It's
Okay.
Yeah. So it's just a matter of whether it's within that pound ratio or not.
Okay.
Have you tried it yet or
No.
Yep.
Supposed to be getting it in March, end of March.
Okay. Gotcha.
The M doesn't come with brush guard from factory, does it?
It can. So if you ordered it that way,
Okay.
they can install it. So the dealer would be able to order it with it factory installed.
Okay.
Yep.
Huh.
But that's just up to you on deciding, talking with them about how they're going to order it. They can. I mean, it's the same brush guard whether they install it
Right.
or. Yeah.
How do customers like the power steering?
The power steering's great. They love it. So it's makes it really easy to handle. Keeps the feedback down on going through rough terrain. So, yep.
Engine reliable, no issues there. Power trade.
Yep. So I mean, everything has its issues, of course. But as far as it's been a really reliable engine for us. Yep.
All right. Nice talking to you.
Yeah. Yep.